At least 10 cases have been dismissed at the Committal Court since January this year. Many of these cases involved armed robbery, sexual assault and penetration charges, and grievous bodily harm. On Wednesday, the Committal Court struck out Richard Camben's case. He was charged for one count of sexual penetration of a 7-year-old girl in Port Moresby. The case was struck out on the grounds that the informant, Senior Constable Andrew Gege of Boroko Police Station, was sick and was unable to complete the investigation.
Prosecutors should be able to sit down, get a court file and look at it, whether there is all the evidence that he or she requires to present it in court is there. So if this is the case that's gone to the court and is thrown out, obviously our ability to reason it out in the sense that there are all evidence available is not there.
Commissioner Baki urged his prosecutors and investigators to undergo refresher courses. He said it will improve their ability and skills to be able to determine the evidence and prepare court files properly.
Our prosecutors will need to undergo a refresher program that will allow them to look at that, look at the files and be able to determine whether evidence are there for them to, to present in court. So that's something we will do internally.
It is understood that the amount of evidence needed in the court depends on the arresting officer and the investigators. Vasinata Yama, National EMTV News.